Good morning, all of you. Today I shall discuss about plant tissue class 9, chapter 2, plant tissues. Now classification of plant tissues. Plant tissues can be divided in meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Further, meristematic tissues is also classified apical, lateral and intercalary. Apical is present tips of root and stem, whereas lateral below bark, cambium in dicot and stems. Intercalary present in inter nodes of stem. Now, permanent tissues. Mature cell incapable of cell division, simple and complex. Further, simple is also classified into parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Now, complex tissue is classified into phloem and xylem. Difference between meristematic and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues, its component cells are small, spherical and polygonal and undifferentiated, whereas permanent tissues, its component cells are large, differentiated with different shapes. In meristematic cells, cytoplasm is dense, intermolecular space are absent, cell wall of its cell is thin and elastic. Nucleus of each cell of this tissue is large and prominent. Its cells grow and divide regularly. It is a simple tissue. Its cells are living. It provides growth to the plant. Now, permanent tissues, large central vacuoles occur in living permanent cell. Cell wall of its cell is thin or thick. Nucleus of each cell of this tissue is less conspicuous. Its cells do not normally divide. Its cells may be living or dead. Now, differences between parenchyma and collenchyma. Parenchyma, the tissues consist of thin wall, living cell. It's distributed in almost all parts of the body, plant body. The living cells of the parenchyma assimilate and store food. They also store waste product. Whereas collenchyma, the tissues consist of cells having localized thickening in their cell wall. It occurs mostly in aerial parts of the plants and restricted to other layers. Collenchyma is the chief mechanical tissues in parts of a young plant, particularly in the young dicotyledonous stems. Now, differences between collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay. It consists of living cells. Its cell contains cytoplasm. Its cell wall are cellulosic. The thickening of the cell wall is not uniform. Lumen of the cell is white. Whereas sclerenchyma, it consists of dead cells. Its cells are empty. Its cell wall are lignified. Cell wall thickening is uniform. Lumen of the cell is narrow. It's chiefly mechanical tissues. Now, xylem and phloem. Difference between xylem and phloem. It consists of water and minerals. It conducts water and minerals. Conduction is mostly unidirectional, means the conduction of minerals from root to apical parts of the plant. Conducting channels or tracheary elements are tracheids and vessels. Components of xylem include trachea vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. There are 4 elements of xylem are dead: tracheids, vessels and fibers. Only xylem parenchyma is living. In addition to conduction, xylem provides mechanical strength to the plant. Whereas phloem, it conducts organic solutes of food, organic solutes or food material. Conduction may be bidirectional from leaves to storage organs of growing parts. Conducting channels are sieve tube. Components of phloem include sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. 3 of 4 elements are living: sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma. Only phloem fibers are dead. Phloem perform no mechanical function for the plants. Now, animal tissues, it can be divided into epithelial, muscular, connective, nervous. Now, epithelial is also divided in squamous, columnar and glandular, and fourth is ciliated and cuboidal. Muscular are classified into 3 classes: striated, smooth and cardiac. Connective tissues and 4th nervous system. Now, connective tissues are also classified: areolar, adipose, skeleton and fluids. Areolar are classified into 2 classes: tendon and ligament. Skeleton are also classified in cartilage and bone, and fluid are also blood and lymph. These all are classification of animal tissues. Okay. Now, important points which is necessary for you. Cells of multicellular organisms show division of labor. Plant tissues are of 2 types: meristematic and permanent. Meristematic tissue is divided in tissues present at the growing region of plants. Permanent tissues are divided into meristematic tissues till they lose the ability to divide. Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma are 3 types of simple tissues. Xylem and phloem are 2 types of complex tissues. Animal tissue are epithelium, muscular, connective and nervous tissues. Depending on the shape of the function, and epithelium tissues is classified in squamous, cuboidal, columnar, glandular. Epithelium acts as a protective tissues in animal and it does in plants. Striated, smooth and cardiac muscles are 3 types of muscular tissues. They perform movement of the contraction and relaxation. The different types of connective tissues in our body include areolar tissues, adipose tissues, bone, cartilage, tendon, ligament and blood. Connective tissues have widely spaced cells embedded in matrix having a variety of proteins. Nervous tissue is made of neurons that receive and conduct impulse. Impulse is the passage of electrical activity along the axon and nervous cells. Thank you very much.